It is finally happening, and no, I don't mean the market's crashing again. XRP, ETFs, and a potential upside move coming, and the secret hidden message that just came out of Ripple Swell. Guess what? I'm going to break all of it down in this video. We're going to be looking at the CEO of the NASDAQ and what they had to say, and some absolute breaking news right now for everyone holding XRP. So go ahead, smash on the like button to a brand new all-time high. As you can tell, I'm still not 100%, but I wanted to get this content out for you, so give us a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, and let's get into it. So as many of you know, Ripple Swell is well underway, and boy, what a first day it's been, from the CEO of the NASDAQ to many other people talking about how optimistic they are, not only about the broader markets, but blockchain integration and Ripple itself. So what did we actually get out of today? And like I said, what is that breaking news? Well, for this, we have to kind of just double back a little bit and understand where the market is. Because if you're in the world of believing the bear market's here and we're going to zero, well, then anything we talk about in these videos is almost pointless, and that, well, true adoption isn't going to happen. So I want to talk just a little bit about something Raoul Pal said. Now, we've talked about the ISM data, and obviously we know at the minute the markets are fearful. Extreme fear is once again back in the market, with Bitcoin breaking below 100,000 and, well, XRP potentially even heading back to a $2 price point. But Raoul Pal here giving his view. Basically, this is all part of the process. There is key things coming that not only support the broader market, but specifically will help XRP. For example, the Clarity Act. Once this gets passed, it's going to give crypto regulations desperately needed large-scale adoption by banks, asset managers, and businesses overall. This will massively support XRP. The big beautiful bill kicks in, and this ultimately will support the economy in its midterms. The entire system is now being geared towards a strong economy and a strong market for 2026. We know China will continue to expand its balance sheet, and Japan's looking to strengthen the yen, and the ISM will rise, rates fall, tariff uncertainty drops away, and hopefully the market goes to brand new all-time highs. So how does this all play into what I want to talk about with XRP, and how do we know that this is going to play out? Well, listen to this clip from the CEO of NASDAQ.
When we look at number of companies that are now crypto and digital asset companies in global markets, there are about 84 companies now in the space that are listed in the markets broadly, of which 74 are listed on NASDAQ. We're very proud of that. And then when we look at the pipeline, the immediate pipeline of companies wanting to come out, either through IPOs or SPAC combinations that have already been announced, there are about 17 companies that are waiting to come out immediately. We obviously are sitting in a government shutdown right now, which is slowing things down a bit. But of those 17, I think either 12 or 13 are coming to NASDAQ. So we're really, really proud of the way that we're supporting the crypto ecosystem and the digital asset ecosystem just through our listings.
So embracing cryptocurrency, as well as many new IPOs that are just waiting for that government shutdown to end before they start coming into the market. Are they going to be supportive of the NASDAQ? Absolutely. Wall Street adoption is here. And what's interesting about this is the choice of announcement. Do it at Ripple Swell with CEO Monica Long. The president Monica Long. Very interesting decision on the back of Canary Capital CEO Stephen McClurg confirming at Ripple Swell that they are ready to launch the XRP ETF next week. But wait, before you start getting super bullish on it, Franklin Templeton also have now submitted their revised ETF S1 filing, getting ready for them to launch their ETF as well. It is all starting to play out exactly as we predicted. Bitwise will be the second one to go. So Canary Capital next week, Bitwise on the 20th, Franklin Templeton should launch on the 24th as well. So by the end of November, we're going to have 3 brand new spot ETFs for the entire cryptocurrency market, which is going to be incredibly bullish and supports the idea of what we were talking about in terms of ISM, and, well, Monica Long herself getting pretty bullish on what's going on with XRP.
Yeah, I mean, within Ripple, so of course we have a commercial business where we're serving financial institutions with that digital asset infrastructure, and then we also have a team that's purely dedicated to the ledger and continued innovation. I hope people been following, developers been following over the past couple years, the amount of new features that we've put up for amendment. Next up is a lending protocol. So there's a lot of investment internally in just expanding the use cases and capabilities, and then also to bring more institutions in their use cases, like stablecoins being a great example, onto XRP Ledger. Ripple team overall, we think about the flywheel effect between utility, trust, and liquidity in XRP. And, we put a lot of work into utility.
So with all of that, well, it's looking to shape up to be a pretty solid month of November. Yes, the markets are down. Yes, fear is here. And unfortunately, the markets are taking capital away from those that were holding for so long. The debate right now is, with all of this coming and all of this macroeconomic stuff coming, is it really the time to be panicking on XRP? Only you have to make that decision. But there is an argument to say right now, this could be a golden opportunity before we see huge amounts of capital flowing into this market. And in fact, the chart here telling us if you missed it under $2, you probably got a chance to get it there again. The next 24 hours are going to be critical in this market. The next few weeks are going to be even more important. ETFs are coming, Wall Street's coming, and guess what? They all seem to be buying XRP. Let me know what you think of all of this in the comments down below. Don't forget we cover XRP as well as Bitcoin and the broader market every day on the channel. Join my live stream, 4 p.m. Eastern. Don't miss it. As always, thanks for watching. Hit the like and subscribe button. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.